Hello everyone, welcome back to our Dear Prelims and welcome back to another video on ERIT Academy. So today we are going to discuss very important concept of what is Genetic Engineering Appraisal Committee, GEAC. News में था, पढ़ा होगा कहीं. You must have come across the information, this body या पहले कभी prepare किया होगा, तो पता तो होगा ही है क्या चीज़ ये. So let's understand this concept is very important for science and tech, for environment point of view. दोनों में overlap करेगा, दोनों के लिए helpful है. ठीक है, चलो देखते हैं. GM crops, it was in news, that's why we are discussing it. So let's understand it with the help of question first. So the question is here in front of you. Consider the following statement about Genetic Engineering Appraisal Committee. Is it a statutory body under Ministry of Science and Tech? Right or wrong? Its approval is mandatory before commercial use of any GM crops, any GM organism, product, कोई भी हो. Secretary, Ministry of Environment, MOEFCC is the chairperson of GEAC. Environment का secretary होता है. Genetic से related, yes or no. So only one statement is correct, two statements are correct, all three statements are correct or none are correct. So this you have to tell. And let us know about your answer, about your stand in the comment section, and we will see the answer as and when we will discuss. Okay? So let's understand, through discussion we will understand the right answer. Why it was in news? It was in news because of these two articles. So this was there that after GM mustard, GEAC is set to recommend environmental release of Bayer, ये company है, herbicide tolerant cotton. So they have released a new BT cotton. उसके भी कॉन्सेप्ट्स बड़े यूनिक हैं, बड़े अच्छे हैं कि उसमें क्या होता है, एक केमिकल का नेम दिया हुआ है. सो दैट इज अगेन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. नेक्स्ट, इट वाज इन न्यूज बिकॉज ऑफ GM मस्टर्ड फील्ड ट्रायल्स बिगेन टू फ्रॉम राबी क्रॉप्स. सो रिसेंटली GEAC which comes under, here is the answer, Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. So if you read the articles carefully, you will get the answers. An environmental release of transgenic mustard hybrid हो चुका है, अब उसका फील्ड ट्रायल्स ये सब होगा. सो दिस वाज इन न्यूज बिकॉज ऑफ दीज टू आर्टिकल्स. इट वाज इन न्यूज. नाउ वी विल अंडरस्टैंड द इंफॉर्मेशन इन डेप्थ एंड वी विल गेट द क्लैरिटी. ओके, so it is a statutory body, which is right. So it is a statutory body under rules of Environmental Protection Act 1986 under Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. अभी हमारा पहला स्टेटमेंट राइट था या रॉन्ग था ये आपको पता चल गया, राइट? सो दिस इज देयर एंड दिस बॉडी रेगुलेट्स व्हाट? इट रेगुलेट्स द यूज, मैन्युफैक्चर, स्टोरेज, इंपोर्ट, एक्सपोर्ट ऑफ हजार्डस माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स और GM ऑर्गेनिजम्स. ठीक है, सो रिमेंबर दिस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू एज वेल. इट एसेसेस द प्रपोजल, जो भी प्रपोजल आता है GM क्रॉप से रिलेटेड उसको एसेस करता है रिगार्डिंग द रिलीज ऑफ जेनेटिकली इंजीनियर्ड products and organisms into the environment before they will be released in the environment. उसका assessment होता है, accordingly वो approval देता है. If there is any violation, it has the power to punish punitive action against people, body under what? Under Environmental Protection Act 1986. Yes, they can. Okay, and then we have this component, the approval of GEAC is mandatory before genetically modified organisms and products derived from them can be used commercial. For any commercial use, if anything is happening, GEAC's approval is must. ठीक है, this clarity is there. Statutory body है, commercial purposes के लिए उसका अप्रूवल लेना जरूरी है. एनवायरमेंटल प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट के अंदर प्यूनिटिव एक्शन है और उसी के अंदर ये बॉडी भी बनी है. GM ऑर्गेनिजम्स, एनिमल हो या क्रॉप हो, सबसे रिलेटेड. सो दिस इज अबाउट द GEAC. वी विल सी अदर डायमेंशंस रिलेटेड टू GEAC. व्हाट इज इट? द कमिटी इज, द होल कमिटी इज चेयर्ड बाय a special secretary or the additional secretary of MOEFCC. But the members, if we talk about, they come, the directors of the Department of Biotechnology or the Department Director of Industrial Development और the atomic energy के जो directors होते हैं, they are the members, expert members of ICAR, ICMR, CSIR, ये लोग भी होते हैं वहाँ. But ये डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ बायोटेक्नोलॉजी तो मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ साइंस एंड टेक के अंदर आ गया. सो like this. They will give the expert input, but final approval is there with the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. Okay, I hope you all got the conceptual clarity over it. Now let's revisit the question again, then you will be able to understand what is the right answer. Now let's have a look. Consider the following statements with respect to GEAC, Genetic Engineering Appraisal Committee. If we don't know, we will mark it wrong itself. It is a statutory body, right. Under Ministry of Science and Tech, wrong. Its approval is mandatory, yes. Before commercial use of GM, any GM organism, yes. Sometimes we will confuse कि नहीं भाई ये तो crop से ही related है. So we will confuse, we'll get confused. Secretary of MOEFCC is the chairperson of the GEAC. Yes, committee का chairperson वही होता है. So two statements are correct, and which two are correct? First is correct and third is correct. So two statements are correct. Okay. So this is it with respect to today's question. And today we have discussed very important concept. It is important for science and tech. It is important for the policy making, the policies, the schemes, or the functioning, the hierarchy, the structure of Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. So this is all guys for today. Thank you so much and make use of these videos. These are very important. रोज का रोज देखो, रोज का रोज रिवाइज कर लो, otherwise लास्ट में बहुत ज़्यादा information हो जाती है. Okay? See you all in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.